fora, né? O vento está vindo pelas costas. Tá conseguindo filmar? O vento está forte, hein?
Yeah.
The wind's kind of fucking around with it. Look, see the wind's blowing it away. Whoa. See that? Having a hard time. I'm afraid to bring it closer to us because of the wind, you know.
The screen is dark now.
Swipe your finger on it. It's gonna light up. Just swipe your finger on it. Can you see now?
No, it's kind of dark.
Swipe your finger on
It's
it.
just dark. Now it's dark again.
Like that.
Oh,
It's gonna go dark again, like every 30 seconds. See, look, I can fly in circles, you see? See? I do know how to do that. The wind's really... Whoa. The wind's really pushing it, huh? It's too far away, yeah? Isn't it? Even with the zoom, right? That's great. I don't want to smash the helicopter right now. There's something on my forehead. I don't know. The mosquitoes bothering me. It's hard, huh? It's too far away. Yeah? Better now? Give it more throttle to go up.
I think it's losing power.
These people come and fucking do that. Fly into their head. Fly over. How the sun's came out. I smashed the helicopter in the head by accident. See that turn?
Yeah.
The wind's really tossing. See, it doesn't want to have the foot back. Stick foot back. The wind's not helping, you know. Whoa! Poste! Naku! Quase bati no poste. Good job, Harry. I would bring it closer to us, but you know, I get that on the head, smash it on the head, you know. You know what I mean? Where are they trying to go? I don't know. He smashed it to us. They're trying to turn to get a wide turn. If it hits us hard, it's gonna hurt, you know.
Doesn't matter. It's on the, we're recording it, so who cares?
It's gonna hurt. If it hits us, well, if it hits us in the head, it's like below the head. It's not the end of the world, but if it freaking hits us in the face, then it's a problem. It could be a problem. I would do that closer to us, but you know. a little shit, huh?
Yeah.
I got scared.
There he goes. Okay, getting tired.
Okay, let's bring it to for a landing then.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to land close to us. Okay.